Is it possible to build an AI app from scratch that's proven to be profitable? Wait, how can you build it and it's already profitable? That's impossible. Wrong. With AI, it definitely is. And to prove that, in this video, I'm going to build a profitable AI app completely from scratch and show you exactly how to do it step by step. All right, so here's a diagram of what exactly we are going to be building. It's going to be a Reddit app that has an AI matching engine that takes in your business niche and website and tells you where to post, like which subreddits to post on, what to post. So we'll have some ready posts generated from this tool. So you can generate more customers with basically free marketing. We don't want to do ad spend. So we have the plan, describe the idea, type what the app does, map the features, and we're not going to be doing any coding. We'll be using Base 44 to build this entire tool. Now, the Base 44 will be able to build the V1 app in minutes, and we can add the match rank subreddits by niche, and we'll also add the post writer for our tool that can write Reddit posts for our customers. We'll test it live with a real business, and then we have one-click publish with Base 44. So this is the overall plan. It should be pretty straightforward, So let's get to building now. This is the Base 44 workspace that I have. If you want to use Base 44, simply put it in Google. It's really famous right now, so you can find it anywhere. So go ahead and just click it, and you'll see the platform looks like this. And it's really easy to navigate to it. So let's go ahead, and we're going to use plan mode in Base 44, so that way we are able to make sure that our app's features and documentation is flushed out before we actually go ahead and get to building. So just copy what I'm writing right here. So a business enters their niche and website and gets a ranked list of the best subreddits to market in. Plus, remember, we also want to write AI generated, human sounding posts that the user can just post on Reddit to get more exposure. We want these posts curated for the subreddit. So let's go ahead and press enter. Right, it's thinking. Remember, we're in plan mode right now. So we're not building anything. Okay, plan mode comes first. Basically, the Scally draw I showed you earlier, we're going to be using that, and we're going to be planning around that to go ahead and build our tool. So primary user, honestly, everyone could benefit from this. But, I'll say both solo founders, marketing teams, and small businesses looking to use Reddit as a channel alongside other strategies. Press next. I love how it's asking me these questions to make sure the plan is fully sound, and that's what a lot of AI tools don't do. This should be good. Save results, edit, refine. Free anonymous tool. Oh yeah, we need to make sure that users can log in. Okay, so now it's thinking. Let's see what it says. All right, so 2 more questions. It's like we have a teammate, a real life human we're talking to, but just AI. Posting rules might be a little bit hard to. Deepest fit. I do like that. The deepest fit avoids ban prone subs. Thing is, some of the best subreddits are ban prone. Yeah, let's just do this balance. Soft sub value first. Storytelling. Yeah, we need both styles. We don't want to be too salesy. Okay. Thinking. Let's go ahead and see what PRD it comes up with. Oh wow, that was actually very quick. Wow, this is actually faster than a lot of AI tools. I can see the hype now. Intent and go. Sub radar. Interesting name. Reddit ready content in minutes. Okay, yeah, the intent goal is pretty clear. And I think this is exactly what we're looking for. So this is perfect. Let's look at audience and roles though. Single role, core flows, technical requirements. So see, the plan is very fleshed out. It's very thorough. And the best part is we can just hand this off to the development side of things. So we don't have to, really do anything. So literally just click start building and boom, it's gonna start building. So let me go ahead and click that. All right. So Reddit Reach. Okay, so that's the real name, Reddit Reach. Wait, but oh no, that's a workspace. Yeah, Subradar. All right, so the plan mode is complete, and now we're entering the build mode. So we're gonna build the full V1 app in minutes, because Base 44 is known to build pretty solid apps very quickly, quicker than most AI builder tools out there. So I'm expecting this to be pretty quick. It's great for building MVP that you want to test to the market. All right, so it's still building. Subradar now all files in parallel. Okay, it hasn't been much time at all. I'm excited to see what this comes up with. The first build preview is always the coolest one, because like all your ideas are now in a live, clickable, working product. So you can see it wrote styles. Maybe go ahead and click preview. Goes right back to dashboard. Sorry. Okay. Subreddit card. You continue this in the background as well if you wanted to, in the bottom left. Okay, so it's working, and this is a pretty intense application. The plan mode, as you saw, was pretty deep. This isn't a simple app. All right, our product is ready. Subradar, find your audience on Reddit. Okay, so you scroll up, you can kind of see everything's history of what we've been doing. All right, so your business niche, nice. So let's just put in HVAC. And we can find any HVAC companies. We're pretending we're an HVAC company right now. Okay, so Petri Plumbing. I'm in New York City, by the way, guys, in case you're wondering why I see New York. Website. Okay, just copy that. So find my subreddits. Let's say issue resolve with AI. Any errors come up, just pass it to the AI tool. It'll go ahead and fix it. We don't have to try to debug it ourselves. While that's happening, it's analyzing our niche website. So let's go back to the build mode. The build plan, and we gotta make sure our MVP works. That's pretty much it. If MVP works, we're all good. Okay. All right, so there's a 500 error. Those are non-text responses. Okay. HVAC for warehouses. HTTPS. Put that affiliate sons. Okay. Okay, so we just need to upgrade our base 44 plan, so it's pretty easy to do. And I'll get back to you after upgrade. So I'm upgraded, go back to Reddit Reach, Subradar. Put in HVAC for warehouses. Put our website. Okay, let me just refresh. All right, so I have AI right into a content marketers. Just decide to do a different niche, make it quicker. You can see all the different subreddits that we have, as well as story-led and value-first posts. So when I add one change, when I highlight text, make sure the highlight doesn't make the text disappear. due to the contrast. So it's a very small nitpick. Body. This is a solid post. There are a good amount of M dashes though. I will say that. Yeah, like there's a lot of M dashes. M dashes make posts sound way too AI generated, so we got to specify. Alright, this should do the trick, and its perplexity of the language is optimized for human. And we don't want to sound like some Albert Einstein over here. So we have value first posts, which I like a lot. Listed. So again, we're giving value in these posts, we're building an audience. We could have a link to each subreddit so that I can easily, go there. Okay, this should be good. Simplify the prompt a bit. And now this fixture should be applied rather quickly. All right, look, we got a message back. And again, the reason for this is, guys, we don't want to sound too AI, even though we're using AI to generate our posts, because then we will get blocked on Reddit. And we want to make sure we sound like a human and not an AI in terms of just perplexity in the way we talk. AI likes to talk like you're a college professor when you just try and sound like a regular human being. We also want to add a link to each subreddit so we can check out the subreddit for ourselves, make sure it's even worth checking out or worth even posting in. Okay, so let's wait for these changes to be added. All right, it looks like everything is done. So there's only one way to track that and figure that out. Let's go ahead and test it once more. Okay, so let's do HVAC for warehouses once more. And then we're just gonna copy that, find my subreddits. So this is the original test, that wasn't working earlier. We moved to AI writing tool, but now let's test it one more time. It should work. It should work. Okay, wow, 5 subreddits found for HVAC for warehouses. r/HVAC. See, I didn't even know that was a subreddit. Holy. Okay, now this is way better. Sounds like a real person is writing that. And quick tips for the value. Okay, this is pretty good. Facilities. Nice, and has a direct link to the subreddit. Okay, and that works. Amazing. Commercial real estate. Wow, another quick link. So I can just check this out very easy myself. I don't have to just blindly rely on the scan. Property management. These are all solid subreddits. And you can attract a lot of HVAC business owners in this. So you can save the search, save to history. Go to my history, look at that. Everything is saved, the posts as well as the subreddits. That's a fully functional app. So you click publish, and we do web or mobile app. We'll do web for this. We click publish app, and boom. If you put the link right here, we continue with Google, and we're logged in, and you can just see all of our posts and history. This is a fully functional app that you can start selling right now if you wanted to. And now to show you the full version of this, this is Subclimb, a tool that I built. This is the final version of what you saw in this video. This does exactly what you just saw. So this app already has made money. It has paying customers, has MRR. So this is me proving to you that what we just built is a profitable app from the jump. You can feel free to check this out in the link in the description. Now, building this app would not have been possible if it wasn't for today's sponsor, Base 44. Base 44 is one of the most popular AI app building tools that exist on today's market. As you can see, building with Base 44 is extremely easy, and you can deploy apps with a one-click deployment, and you can start selling them all the same exact day. From planning to building to hosting, Base 44 handles everything. So if you want to check out Base 44 and use this tool for yourself to build profitable apps, check the first link in the description below. So go ahead and build something incredible. And if you want to see how I built a profitable AI app from scratch, watch this video next.